viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So yes, today we are going to add new blockchain over MetaMask wallet. So in this video I am giving information how to add Theta Network in your MetaMask wallet. Yes, you can easily add your Theta Network and your Theta Token in your MetaMask wallet and you can use for long term. So but how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving to complete information step by step. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. First of all, I'm going to open CoinMarketCap and check the rank of Theta this time. This time Bitcoin price is $40,000 plus dollar. You can see here 5% up in 24 hours, and if you see in 7 days 8% down, but Bitcoin almost $2,000 up in last 24 hours. Because yesterday video when I have make, so that time Bitcoin price is $38,000 and today is 40,000 plus. It means $2,000 up. So now we are going to check the rank of Theta. The Theta rank, and this time top 100 list of cryptocurrency market. You can see here Theta is 43 number rank, and this time price $2, almost $3, 5% up in 24 hours. So if I'm going to click on this network, so then the open front of me new page where you can get the all information about Theta. If you want to check the price graph, so you can simple click on all, then the price graph is shown in front of you. You can see, can you imagine, in 2018 almost 18, so Theta price only 14 cent, and in this market, so its low is almost 8 cent, but all-time high is $14, but this time price is $3 only. And if we can check accurate time, accurate all-time high or low, you can see here all-time low is 3 cent and all-time high is $16, almost 81% down from all-time high. And if you need to trade this token, so you can use different exchanges like Binance or other exchanges. It's depend on you. I'm not giving to any financial advice. It's your decision if you need to add this token in your MetaMask wallet. But today we are just need to add this token, this blockchain in our MetaMask wallet. And if you need to check the website of this token, so you just simple click on here. You can see it, thetatoken.org. Theta Token.org network, the website open in front of me. Next generation video entertainment blockchain powered by you. If you are content creator, then this network will help for you for earn the money, and also you can save your video for long time and no third party involved on this blockchain. And you can also create a wallet from this option. You can see here the option is available, wallet. Just simple click on it, and then new page open in front of you. You can see here there's key store available in many places, private key and hardware. Please select your key store. If you have already account, so just simple choose your key store file, then enter your password, and after that you can create a unlock wallet, so your wallet will be locked. And if you have not account, so you can just simple go to the click on create a wallet. When you click on create a wallet, so new page will be open in front of you. Okay, so now we are going to add new blockchain. So just simple go to the click on MetaMask
and then enter the password here and click on unlock. You can see here we have yesterday add Silo mainnet in our MetaMask, so today we are going to add Theta. So first we need to expand view of our MetaMask wallet, then we can easily add. So you just simply go to this option and after that click on add network here, and then you need to put here the all information: network name, new RPC, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer. So all information in my notepad file, so that I am just simple copy and paste on these tabs. So network name is Theta mainnet. Please don't use the test net on your original account, just use the mainnet of any blockchain. Okay, and this is the new RPC, just simple copy and paste here. The chain ID is 361, just simple copy and paste here. So two options left. The option is currency symbol and also block explorer. This is optional, but I have information. So Tfuel basically token of Theta, just simple paste here, and also block explorer. This is a block explorer, just copy and paste here. Before going to click on save, I just check the Tfuel from the coin market cap. What is the price this time, and where is rank? Tfuel, Theta Fuel. Yes, you can see here. This time 86 number rank and price is 15 cent. And if you check the graph of price, so you can see here when launch only 0.02 cent and low 0.016, but today price is 15 cent. So now we are going to again open MetaMask. You can see it, just simple click on save button. Now as you can see here, we have successfully add new blockchain, that's name is Theta mainnet, and also you can see here we have successfully add Tfuel. Before going to use this network, you must take the export or private key of this wallet. Just simple click on three dot and click on account details. You can see here there is shown the wallet address of your account. You just simple copy, and before going to deposit any amount this wallet, you must check the Theta network, and after that you must click export private key, enter your password here. Like me, I have entered my password, just simple click on confirm button. So then you can see here the private key is shown in front of me. So viewers, this private key will be helpful for you if you need to recover, restore, import your account. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you add new blockchain in your MetaMask wallet, that's name is Theta, and also we have added Tfuel token, and also we have find the private key of this wallet. So all information is very necessary for you, so please watch my incoming videos. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.